Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with yet another super awesome power packed video on complete grammar strategies as far as your IELTS writing is concerned. Before we get into the video, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. And anytime you need online assistance, it's a paid assistance. You can check the link in the description. We have given our new WhatsApp number. The old WhatsApp number is not working anymore. We've given our new WhatsApp number. You can just reach us out for the online paid assistance. I'll be there. We will be there to help you guide you in the right direction. All right, without further delay, let me just show what I've got for you today. As told before, we will be learning grammar. Let me just share my screen. So I've got a complete essay written by one of our students. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to help you understand the mistakes that the essay contains with respect to grammar alone, and I'm going to fix it right in front of you, help you understand. If you do the same mistakes, how the marks will be affected and how to fix this to enhance your marks. All right, let's quickly start with it. I hope you're able to see the screen properly. So in this modern era, let's not worry about the question. Let's purely worry about the grammar. Few individuals are of the opinion that teens should focus and study on all. The word all usually goes with the word S. On all subjects during their schooling. However, critics of this statement argue that school kids should only focus on subject matters which inherit them with a higher potential salary. You could have written in a much simple way. Focus on subjects that lead to hefty salary. Keep it simple. No need to, write in a complex way. I strongly believe students should focus and give importance to all subjects equally. This essay will aim to discuss both the sides of the arguments, or you can also say argument the is there, and come to a probable conclusion in the end, or at the end, both are fine. So far fine, not that grave mistakes that we encountered. We will see the mistakes in the second and the third para. Remember, grammar is all about having a mixture of simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, having a perfect subject verb agreement, perfect tenses as well, and not just that, even conjunctions and lot many things. So today we will understand all of this in second paragraph. On one hand, it is important to expose the students to all basic school subjects. Yes, has to come, like arts, maths, languages, science, sports, and so on before adulthood. This is because the basic understanding of all these subjects, the basic understanding, see, pay more attention. He eats. He eat is wrong. The third person singular in the present tense takes the verb s form. So here the basic understanding is the noun. Subject is not the noun. Understanding of something. Understanding allows. It's a correct one. If you write allow, it is wrong. So present tense, he eats, he allows, the understanding allows is the correct one. Allows them to make an unbiased, now article concept. A-E-I-O-U pronouncing sound comes because ye sound is there. And free will decision for their future career is cycle career, so it should be career. All these also count as errors, prospects. Since they generally end up, see, never use the word end up in your essay. These are all informal words. Since they generally end up choosing, keep it in the present tense. When choosing, don't write choose. When it's a fact, always keep it as simple as possible in the present tense. Since they generally choose passion as their career, where is the comma, otherwise it's not clear, they tend to outperform the competition and do well, perform well in monetary terms as well. For instance, in Delhi, comma, it was found when students were taught all school subjects, they were able to, all those things are not required, they possessed better and clear goals of their career prospects. Again, don't write a very lengthy sentence. If you see this right, the entire paragraph, the very far less simple sentences. So it's an opportunity for you to divide the bigger sentence into smaller sentences and write as more sentences as possible, instead of writing very lengthy sentence which decreases the readability skill. When someone try to read it, right, he'll not be able to clearly understand because everything is inside one particular line. It's so difficult to decode. It was found when students, you already used the dependent clause, when students were taught all subjects, they possessed better and clear goals of their career prospects. This also meant all this, I'm just changing few sentences, equipped them with knowledge and data to deduce their abilities and passions. Looks more nicer, more simpler. Remember, the complicated ones will never get to the scores. It's with what ease you make someone understand your write-up. Correct? It's with what ease you make the examiner understand your write-up, not trying to simply make it complicated. Alright, on the other hand, it is easy to see why people want their kids to study only the subject singular, he eats, that holds, otherwise grammatically wrong sentence, holds a high earning capacity. This is due to the fact that wealth is very important in this fast paced world. See, this is a simple sentence. Something like this is required. Wealth is a very important in this fast paced world. Add a connector. This implies a person apostrophe is otherwise grammatically wrong sentence. A person's earning, not hearing, earning capacity is directly proportionate with their standard of living, and the people, especially you put a comma after connector, and the people, especially parents, want, not wants, their kids to enjoy a high standard of life. Comma is not required here. It's a continuation. Due to is missing. It apostrophe s means it is. Due to it is, due to its, his, her, their, due to its obvious benefits. However, having said that, this will strongly, having said this, comma, I still strongly believe that it's important to study all school subjects, as every profession can mint money, and all don't, can earn. It's okay, you repeat the word, it's not a grave concern, but you write some words which do not fit in, that's where the problem starts for an individual. Lastly, if all were to only study high earning potential subject like art and literature would gradually fade. That's it, enough. Sometimes the less you write, the more neat it looks. On balance, it's clear why, or it's clear that school curriculum should teach all subjects, comma, so student wrong or a student or students can make an informed decision about the future. This would also result in a happy society and ensure the will is there whenever will, can, could, may, might, all this come. We call modal auxiliary verbs. Subject verb agreement, that S will not work. He will eat, not he will eats. Correct? This will result and ensure the survival and progression of low potential areas like arts. Essay is good. If I make this many mistakes, can I still get 7? Most likely yes, you can still get, but if your aim is to get just 6.5, correct? So if I make this many mistakes, can I get still 7? Yes, possible, probably, perhaps, yeah, perhaps if your task response and coherence cohesion is so good, vocabulary is good, then yes, you can still get 7, but that does not mean that you make such mistakes. It's a very simple thing, like I just explained it to you. Avoid making them so that more chances of you getting a very good score. Alright, I really hope this was a very short and concise session, has given you all the insights that you need. Leave your appreciation with a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. This is Nakul, Nakul from SkillsIELTS, signing off soon. I'll be back. Anytime you need online assistance, you can WhatsApp us by looking at the number in the description. We have changed our number. You can text us to the new number. Fine guys, thanks much. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.